Welcome back, pipe smoking readers. I am here again with the next poem out of Pipe and Pouch, the Smoker's Own book of poetry. And I'm smoking some exotic honey, which is a blend from my local tobacconist in my Country Gentleman corn cob. And it has this aftermarket sort of swirly green stem, which I like quite a bit because it cools the smoke as it travels down the stem. And I'm at a point where I have done my sort of charring light, and I need to light again. Today, we are reading A Poet's Pipe from the French of Charles Baudelaire. A poet's pipe am I, and my Abyssinian tint is an unmistakable hint that he lays me not often by. When his soul is with grief o'erworn, I smoke like the cottage where they are cooking the evening fare for the laborer's return. I enfold and cradle his soul in the vapors moving and blue that mount from my fiery mouth, and there is power in my bowl to charm his spirit and soothe and heal his weariness too. A Poet's Pipe, from the French, translated by Richard Hearn Shepherd. Pipe and Pouch, Smoker's Own book of poetry. Cheers.